Right, guys, if you turn in your work packs to Friday the 8th of January, and it's your first sheet in there, so it's your comprehension, okay? And it's called Making a Mess. So what I will do is I'll read the comprehension, and you can pause the video at any time or go back and hear me say it again. And then I'm going to read the questions to you. After every question, if you pause the video, and then you can try and answer them, all right? So it's called Make a Mess. It's an instruction text. So instruction texts tell us how to do something, don't they? They give us instructions to make something, help us build something, give us directions for something, okay? So this one, we've got our title, Make a Mess. You will need, so that's our subheading, and it's got a colon after it. Washing up liquid, clear vinegar, glitter, a glass jar, food dye, bicarbonate of soda, and a teaspoon. Oh God, this isn't going on in my classroom. Looks like there'll be a big mess. What to do? That's our next subheading. Number 1, half fill the jar with the vinegar. Number 2, add a teaspoon of food dye and a teaspoon of glitter. So a teaspoon's the smaller one. Number 3, add a big squeeze of washing up liquid. Yeah, there's a comma there. Then stir carefully. That was a verb, stir. Number 4, add a heaped teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Number 5, watch what happens. And it says, warning, this is not a drink. Okay, so now we've read the text and you've had a look at it. You could always highlight on your sheet anything you think is really important. We're going to look at the questions. So it says, look at the instructions. Number 1, what do you have to do first? So you'd have a look at what number 1 says. Okay, so you can pause the video and write your answer. Number 2, what do you add at the same time as the glitter? So my keyword glitter, I find the word glitter and see what else it says to add. You can pause the video and answer that now. Number 3, how much washing up liquid do you add? So I'm going to have a look at my instructions and see how much it says, perhaps look near number 3. Number 4, what does the last instruction ask you to do? So the last instruction must be number 5. Number 5, why are these things used? The first one has been done for you. So A, washing up liquid. This makes the mess bubble. B, food dye. Why has food dye been used? Look at the colour of it. C, glass jar. Why did we need a glass jar? And D, glitter. Why have we used glitter? Number 6, think about how the instructions are written. In what order do you find these things? So you need to put numbers next to them. So which is first, which is second, which is number 3, which is number 4. Warning, you will need. Title, that's a big clue. What to do. So you have to put them in order, number them 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 7, make a list of different things we need to use instructions for. I think I gave you some at the start, maybe making a cake, maybe making a pasta dish, maybe building something. Number 8, choose one thing you have listed and write what you would Choose one thing you have listed and write what you would need to do it. So it could be something simple like making a cup of tea or tying your shoelaces. All right.